Hi guys, this is my second video now and I have been waiting to do this video for so long. So last week I uploaded my first video, which is the wave tutorial, and that has got like 150 views, which is so many more than I was expecting, so thank you so much for that. But I was planning on filming this weekend, but then I was put on medication for my skin and I had an allergic reaction to that medication, so my skin was all swollen and all dry and all patchy and all sunburned and it was really sore. But it's mostly gone now. I am a bit dry, so I'm scared about taking this off. I hope it doesn't hurt. But yes, I have got foundation on, concealer, powder, contour, eyebrows. Is that it? I think so. Yeah, I can show you my foundation routine and everything if you want in a different video, but I wanted to concentrate more today on more the eye look. Yeah, so like I said, this is going to be a Valentine's Day themed video, and I have been looking and researching and getting so many inspiration from all of the different looks that have already been done, and I wanted to do a red colour one because two reasons. Pink is done the most and red is my favourite colour. Yeah, I do not have a massive plan for what I'm going to do for this video. I know I want to do like a red blown out look, but with a couple hearts on. I've got my trusty white face paint here, and yeah, we'll just see what happens. So I'll be using the Morphe X James Charles palette again. I'll be using You're Kidding, which is this one here. Okay, so I'm just going to have my mirror here. I will use a little packing brush. This is the masked crease brush. Oh my god, that was so hard to say. And I will just take the colour straight onto my brush, tap it off and go to town. I have already primed my eyelids. Just pulling it underneath the eye a little bit. Taking a big fluffy blending brush, I'm just going to blend that all up and in as much as I can. So this is the first time I've worn makeup in about a week and it has been so strange. Not even just doing like my everyday makeup. I didn't think I'd be the kind of person to miss it, but I really do. It just makes me feel so much better knowing I've got makeup on. You know? Okay, so I've got the basic red shape done. I'm going to finish one eye, then do the other one off camera. And then the next colour I think I'm going to take is Boutique, which is this one here. The masked colour packer brush. And I'm just going to run that closer to my eye because it's a little bit darker. There we are. I will also take the colour. I wish these all had the names written underneath so I didn't have to keep this bit plastic, but you know, it's not really the end of the world if I have to keep a bit of plastic. Benny, which is this one shade right here, which is the darkest brown there is. Because I don't quite want black because I feel like that's quite harsh. So this shade is perfect. Perfect. I'm not going to be doing liner today, and I feel like this shade of brown is really going to like make up for it. Oh yeah, that is so pretty. Yeah, that looks so good. I'm now taking the shade Canvas. I'm just going to blend that in at the top, just so it doesn't look so crazy. I'm also going to run that just down at the bottom as well, just to blend that in a little bit more, because I don't want to look ill. A little bit more of Benny. Okay, so I think that's like the shadow done. This looks really harsh on camera, but it's only because I've got one eye done and I haven't got any mascara on or anything. I am going to paint some pretty hearts on here now. I'm going to be using Snazzy White Face Paint, just the same as the last video. Where is my little brush? There. And I'll be using the masked liner brush. Just got some water down here. This might be a little bit big actually, this brush, but we'll see. You can have different size hearts as well. Let me see. Got one up here. That's so cute. Cute! Yay! Oh my god, I love this. This is so nice. I really like proud of this. I mean, I don't know how I was expecting this to go wrong, like I'm pretty sure it couldn't, but you know. It's gonna start to look a little bit red when it pokes through the pink, but I'm not mad at that. Is that cute or not? I like it. Let me take a smaller brush. I've got very low battery, very low battery on this camera, so you'll have to see how much longer this lasts. But if my camera cuts out, I'm going to draw a white heart on the inner corner, maybe a few more up here, and I will add lashes, do the other eye obviously, add a lip, and I will get back to you. But I'll keep filming as long as it'll film for. Oh my god, yay! I'm so happy with how that looks. Okay, good. Yay! I love that. Okay, good. What now? Mascara. I will be using the Scandalised Wow Wings by Rimmel. Apparently I can't read. Nothing new to me there. And the reason I'm not doing falsies is because number one, I have got some, but they're not ones that I think would look right with this look. I would want ones that look winged out, because since this is like of this side, if you know what I mean. And I've got the Wow Wings mascara, which I don't know if you can see that, but it's like winged out. And I feel like I don't want it to like distract or like cover any of it. I don't know, but I'm just going to apply this and then we will see. Okay, so my mascara is done. I'm going to now quickly go off camera, stop filming, do my other eye, and then I will get back to you. I know I said I was going to go off camera to do this eye, but I thought I might as well film it just in case I want to say anything, but we'll see. Okay guys, so I'm back. I finished my eye, I've done my lips red, not red, they are black. I've done my lips black, and I have added a little bit of red just as like a blend through, just to match it to my eyes a little bit more. I'm just going to take my fluffy brush from earlier, dip it lightly into that red colour, tap it out and just go just under my nose a little bit. Okay, so we are done. That was so much quicker than I was expecting, and I'm so happy with how this came out. I think it looks so pretty. What do I have to say about this? I'm sure another makeup artist out there has definitely done something similar, because I just came up with this quite quickly. So if I find any that are something similar to this which have been done first, I will link them in the description or post it on my Instagram. My Instagram, as you probably know, is Rencob Makeup. I'll leave it on screen. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you did like... So my camera has my camera has run out of battery. I was halfway through I was halfway through my outro, I think, when that happened, so I'm just filming this bit on my phone. So thank you so much for watching, guys. If you did enjoy it, then please give it a like, because that helps me out a lot, and subscribe. I am going to aim to upload at least 1 video a week, but it might be 2 depending, but I am at university and things are sometimes difficult. But no matter what, I will always keep you updated on my Instagram, which is Rencob Makeup. I left it on screen before. I'll do it again now, might as well. Yeah, and more high quality photos will be over there, so thanks again. Bye!